Hey. Today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair again as it's turning brassy. As you guys can see, there's kind of an orange tone in my hair. So the dye which I'm gonna be using today is this one, which is the L'Oreal Paris 9.13 Golden Ash Blonde. I'm probably gonna be putting this up on the screen so you guys can see, and the link down below on the description. So let's start. Man, these gloves are tight. They don't fit me. Okay. Clip. Let's use this clip to, yeah, and that's how I'm gonna dye my hair. So if this turns out lighter than my present hair, I'm gonna freak out and I'm gonna dye my hair